Welcome to my channel guys. So in this video we will be learning about comparison query operators and how that can be used in the documents while fetching them from the collections. In the last video we had discussed about the selection of documents from a collection and have also discussed some query operators. So in this video we will be discussing in brief about comparison query operators. So first we will be creating a database. Suppose the name of the database is company. So use company, execute the query. So the database is created. Now we will be creating a collection under this company database. So let the collection name be employee. Execute the query. OK 1.0. It means the collection is also created under the database. Now we will be storing documents of 3 employees, and each document will contain 3 fields, that is the employee ID, the employee name and the department of the employee. So db dot collection name dot insert, then as we will be storing multiple documents we need to have square brackets also. Inside that, each document is to be placed inside a pair of curly braces. So the name, let it be X, the employee ID, let it be 1001, the department of the employee, let it be software. Now I need to insert 2 more documents. So let us copy the document which we have inserted just now, and we will be pasting it over here and will make some modifications. So let the name of the second employee be Y, the employee ID be 1002, the department be hardware. Here the name of the employee be Z, the employee ID be 1003, and here also the department is software. Now we will execute the query. Select the query, execute. So n inserted colon 3, it means 3 documents has been inserted to the collection successfully. So now we will start with the comparison operators. So the first comparison operators is $eq. So this operator matches documents where the value of a field equals the specified value. Suppose we will be fetching the documents where the name of the employee will be Z. So the command for that will be db dot collection name dot find. After that we need to give the operator, we need to give the condition in between a pair of curly braces, that is we will be comparing the name. So name inside double quotes, then colon, then again a pair of curly braces inside that. So we will be using the equal operator. So $eq, we want the document of the employee where the name of the employee is Z. So this is done. Now execute the query. So see, we have found the document of employee Z under the result. Now I will be performing the next operator, that is $gt. So how this can be performed? Here we will be using the greater than operator. So $gt colon, in between double quotes we want the employee ID where the employee ID must be greater than 1001. Now select the query, execute it. So we are done. So under the result, we are finding the employee ID 1002 and 1003, as 102 and 1002 and 1003 are greater than 1001. Now we will be using some more operators. So that is greater than equal to. So here will be a small changes. Instead of GT, we will be writing GTE. Now execute the query. So it is done. 1001, 1002, 1003. Now I will be using the less than operator. So instead of GT, I need to write only LT. So, so no result is found under this query, as because we don't have any document in our collection where the employee ID is less than 1001. Now I will be checking for less than equal to. So instead of GT, it will be LTE. Select the query, execute it. So LT less than equal to. So the employee X is having employee ID 1001, which is less than equal to 1001. So we find this under the result. So now we will be using a in operator, dollar in. So what is the use of this operator? This operator selects all the documents where the value of the field equals any value in the specified array. So now I will be fetching all those documents where the employee ID equals to 1001 or 1002 or 1003. So how to do that? db dot employee dot find, then I need to give curly braces. So I will be searching with the employee ID. So the employee ID, then colon, then a pair of curly braces again. Inside the pair of curly braces, I will be writing dollar in. Then I will be providing the set of data which will be compared with the documents. So that should be inside a array. So 1001, 1002. Suppose I will be fetching the documents with these two employee IDs only. So now let us execute the query. Execution is done. Now we can find the two employees where the employee ID is 1001 or 1002. Now I will be using one more operator, that is $NIN. So that is the invert of this previous operator. That is, this operator selects all the documents where the value of the field does not equals any value in the specified array. So how that can be done? Just copy the previous query, paste it here. So instead of in, just write NIN. Now select the query, execute it. So see, all the documents where the employee ID is other than 101 and 1002 is being displayed over the result. Now the last operator. So here we will be using the operator $NE. By using this operator, we can find all the documents which doesn't match the specified value in that particular field. So here we will be finding all those employee documents where the employee ID is not equal to 1003. So db dot employee dot find a pair of parentheses, then generate a pair of curly braces. So the field that is to be compared is employee ID. So EMP then again generate a pair of curly braces. Inside that $NE, and the value should be 1003. Now execute the query. So here all those documents are shown over here where the employee ID is not equal to 1003. So this is all about the comparison query operators. So in the next video, we will be learning more about the query operators. Thank you.